Our goal is to give everyone a 5-star experience, and it's great to know that our efforts are so appreciated. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now. This is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first each and every time, and the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.